Hello, my name is Anastasia. I live in Saratov and study at Stolypin-Volga Region Institute of Administration. I would like to go to Kazan to the Summer Campus 2015. If I can go, it will be my best summer. I want to get positive emotions and new impressions. I can find new friends and make useful contacts. I want to take walking tour around incredible Kazan to remember all the moments and keep them in mind. I want to be the best. Probably it is the incentive which helps me to be creative in addition to studying. I believe that a manager should have not only diploma in his pocket, but she or he should be pretty versatile too. That's why I never give up and always busy. I'm trying to reach new heights. Of course, sometimes it's very difficult, but I really enjoy the process. I want to grow as a person, and there is no better place for self-realization than this event. So I'm dreaming of going to the Summer Campus 2015. It will be my summer, my emotions, my little victory.